believe that dopey title you just read? Our little friend's the voyage who followed the sun to the south in winter. Blah, 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 blah. Voyage. Miami, 1,000 miles. This migration stuff's the bunk. It's wearing me down. Us voyagers got it tough. Listen to that joint singing. What's he got to be happy about? What's he got to be happy about? Wow, what a setup. Plenty of food, and drink, and a place to bathe, and a joint to flop.
What's the matter, sir? Aren't you happy, sir?
Happy? He's asking me if I'm happy. No, my heart is breaking. Oh, the horror of it all. You're so young to be in the clink, I mean jail. Let me help you. Please let me help you.
Help me?
Yes. Look at yourself. Poor fella, cooped up behind those bars. Why, you're incarcerated.
Where?
Look at me. I'm free. Free to go as I please. To Capistrano, to Miami, to the sunny south. Land of happiness and love. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever met one of those southern gals? Don't you ever expect to marry? Well, you can't, cooped up as you are. Don't you want to get out?
But I can't. I'm locked in.
You're free, son. Free. Go out and live. Enjoy life. Find love. Fly away.
I'm free. I'm free. Thanks very much, sir. You're my real friend. I'll never forget you. I'm going to find love. I'm free! I'm free!
Oh, it's you! How did Did you have a good time?
No, a hawk almost caught me.
A hawk?
And a cat. And I was caught in a snowstorm.
And did you meet one of those little southern gals?
Uh-huh. I got married, and she's right here.
Married? Where are you and the wifey living now? Uh-oh.
This is the bird I was telling you about, darling.
How do you do? Now, wait a minute. Take it easy. Now, I can take a hit. Ow! Help! I was leaving. Help!
We're living here, aren't we, darling?
We most surely are, honey child.